Good morning, friends. Welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited about today's video because we are making over my bedroom, and I had to start this video off by giving you a little synopsis, if you will. What had happened is, you guys remember my bedroom used to be in my loft. Yes. Then I built this studio and I moved everything in my office to in here. Then I took my bedroom out of the loft, put it into the actual bedroom, and then the loft I'm working on making a walk-in closet. Now you're up to speed. So I have been spending so much time out here basically trying to make it pretty that I have neglected the bedroom, and the bedroom is straight up a bed in a room, hence bedroom. Roll the before footage. So why does this video exist? Well, I have enlisted the help of Alexandra Gator. If you don't know who that is, she is a YouTuber on here. She's amazing. She just turns spaces into like places you want to be, you know? So she's gonna help me turn this room into something special, and this is the behind the scenes vlog. Y'all really like vlogs, so I thought let's vlog today, shall we? Wow, okay, look at all this stuff that just arrived on my front porch. Before we get going on the room, a package has arrived, and I was hoping that this was going to come at some point during this weekly vlog. I am in such desperate need of like some comfy clothes for around the house since we're gonna be stuck in my bedroom for the next week, but perfect timing, came today. You know what, I placed this order a few weeks into quarantine when I realized like how much sitting around the house I was doing and how like little, you know, cute loungewear you have. Like I have like PJs, but they're not necessarily cute. Did anyone else struggle with like thinking because of all the thrift stores closing? I was just like, am I gonna be so bored? I feel like thrifting is like my only hobby. So I just wanted to take a second and thank today's video sponsor, which is ThredUP. ThredUP is the world's largest online thrift store. They carry some of my favorite brands like Free People and Wild Fox. I get a lot of people asking me how I navigate through the ThredUP website, and so I just wanted to give you guys like a few quick tips. The first thing I do is I set up search categories like my sizes. Then I start by going through all the brands I like. So Free People, Wild Fox, I'll type those in. And then once I've done that, I use like special words that like I know I'm always looking for things that look like that. So tassel, velvet, wide leg, and that helps to narrow down my search even more. Of course, I have a discount code for you guys. You can use the code Tasha at checkout to get an additional 30% off your first order. This is one of the little sweaters that I got. It's so cute. It's kind of like long. You can see it's like pretty long, but I think it's like fine if you just, you know, sort of tuck it in. This was estimated to cost $50 and I got it for $14.99. I love American Eagle sweaters, Aerie sweaters. If you guys have never like tried their loungewear, you should try it. It is so soft and so comfy, but it's pricey. Like $50 for sweaters, a bit pricey. So to get it for $14.99, love it. I saw this Free People one. Oh my goodness. Okay, so it's got these like amazing little ruffles at the bottom and a really cute neckline, and it's super big and oversized. I will be honest, I like to just throw like cute sweaters on with like already cute PJs that I'm wearing, you know what I'm saying? Because then it's like an at-home cute look. I don't know. This kind of sweater at Free People would literally cost like $200. Like, I got this for $14.99. I'm loving pink lately. Have you guys noticed that? Is this one, but it's got these really cute little like bell sleeves, which I think would again look really cute with this outfit too. I actually got like a couple, like I just wanted really cute sweaters, you know. I got a Wild Fox sweater. I used to have a Wild Fox sweater. It used to be gray and it used to have a deer on it, and like I love how it just has all this like ripped detail. I'm a sucker for like the distress. Estimated to cost $143. This was 50 bucks. Like this is such a freaking steal. I'm so happy about this Wild Fox sweater. You know, I want to wear my PJs every day, but we gotta get out of PJs too. So I found the most freaking amazing pair of pants. These are by Bow and Arrow, and I have gotten Bow and Arrow stuff from ThredUP before and I just love it. Tag still on. Amazing. So these pants originally were supposed to cost $60 and I got them for $11.99. Can we just take a second? Look at these pants. Super wide leg, so cute. Has like all this like lace detailing on it, and I thought these would be so great for around the house. They would look really cute with just like a sweater thrown on as well. This is not for quarantine. This is for hopefully when quarantine ends. So I have trouble finding like really nice evening wear attire, but I saw this on ThredUP. And it was so cute. I loved the color. It's like silk satin, has these cute ruffles. This is H&M. It was originally $50 and I got it for $25.99. So I just was like, you know what? I'm not gonna pass up on this because I rarely like super cute evening dresses like this. Don't forget, if you guys do place an order, use the code Tasha at checkout and that will save you 30% off your first order. Okay. Now you might be wondering, what is all of this paint on the wall, Tasha? Well, these used to be holes and I filled them and then I had to use primer on them and I only had this color. So I emptied the room. This is just like internet wires, which I'm gonna deal with at a later date so that I can paint. And these two are just they're like, we belong here, Hotch and Girly. They just want to be in on the action today. So yeah, everything is emptied. We're ready to paint. Change of plans. The paint, which was supposed to arrive on Monday. We thought it was gonna arrive on Monday. Then we thought it was gonna arrive on Tuesday. And then like, we're pretty sure it's supposed to come today. So hopefully we get painting done today, but we're gonna start with actually putting together the new bed frame. We're actually just in my closet right now, but I have all the stuff that was sent. And I don't know if I'm supposed to say this, but I did tell Alexandra that I have all of the Tarva like dresser sets. So I have like this big one and then I also have this little one. So I had mentioned to her that I would really love the Tarva matching bed frame, so that's what she has sent over. So we're gonna put that together. Making a thumbnail for Alexandra's video. Oh goodness, behind the scenes. Ready? Okay, good. Now I actually only need the bed frame, so I'm gonna take the rest of the stuff out. I haven't even peeked yet. I don't even know what's here. Okay, back to regular scheduled programming in messy, comfy clothes. We're going to flip up the mattress. Okay, so paint has arrived. There's 2 boxes. I'm pretty sure this is the color that we're painting the room. Can you guys guess what color we went? White. Okay, so I just want to see the new color up against the old white, which is the one behind it. And then this is the primer. So let's do it like right here. Wow. That is going to look super nice. I'm very excited. It's a little bit like more of a natural white than the old white was, which was such a stark white, and then obviously it's not even close to that. So this is gonna look so good. Totally weird how when you compare this color to the other 2 colors, it looks gray, but like on its own, it looks white. So I've done that wall, and I've also finished this wall, and I've also done this wall. So now we just have this one. Like, crazy, it looks gray, but it's just not. This is just so stark, and that is so warm. Yeah, it looks so much better. I know I had to fill those holes, so it had to look ugly for a minute, but wow, it's nice seeing it one color. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to day 2 of the makeover. So yesterday we finished up all of the painting, and I was actually able to get the bed put together as well, which IKEA, you kill me. So I obviously knew this was not like the best setup for the bed, but it just gave me like the most space, but it's really not that functional for things like getting in and out of bed when there's 2 people here, that kind of thing. So we're gonna move the bed. Is it like a roller coaster? Good job. Good job. Good job. I know that Alexandra did get me like a floating nightstand, she said. So we should go and open that box and see what it looks like. I would never think of this. I would never think of this. I would just keep telling Michael, like, put your drink on the floor. This is perfect. Oh my goodness. This could be like a thrift flip too. I feel like you could find like a tray and make your own sort of wall shelf. Obviously, I love that I did not have to make this. So I think that this is like more than enough space to put this. Love Urban Outfitters, but y'all gotta get your packing game in order. This is crazy for that shelf. Good morning, friends. It is a new day and we're still working on this room, trying to get it done. Hi, Dash. I just wanted to show you guys. So look at how cute this like long sweater is. I just have it paired with like a bralette underneath. I think it's so cute and it's super soft. This is the Free People one that I got from ThredUP. Oh my goodness, I just love it. I don't really know about the jean situation looking through, but I didn't know what else to do. So yeah, just wanted to share this comfy cozy sweater with you. Anywho, so today we're hanging up a light fixture, which I haven't done before, but I watched a lot of YouTube tutorials and I think it's gonna be fine. I just have to turn the power off and we're gonna get rid of the nipple light fixture because it looks like a nipple. Let's do it. Wait, did I even show you guys how the headboard turned out? Like, I'm kind of living for it with the headboard in front of it. It's kind of vibey, no? Okay, so power is off. We are going to unattach these wires. Then we can unscrew. This is the new article bracket. Good morning. Day four. I think four. Dash is literally biting his own tail and Hotch is getting sick of it. Dash. Oh my goodness. Look at this amazing wild fox sweater. I know I already showed you it, but it's so cute. I don't usually like wear blue, but I really love it. Today we are tackling this like makeup vanity situation. Then the rest of the video is just going to be Dash looking like the cutest angel. He really likes this wild fox sweater because he's like, oh my god, it's already ripped. I can rip it more. I'll help you. Oh. I'll help you, Mom. So here's what we currently have going on for this little makeup table section. This is one of the chairs that I had and I really like this. So it's not on there permanently. It's kind of just being held up on one side. I do have the brackets in and here is option number 2. So this is a lot more like white. The mirror is going to be gold. I'm sort of leaning towards this one, but I love this one. So let's give Alexandra a call, see what she thinks. This is like behind the scenes of makeovers that you don't see. Like looking like a mess. It's all gonna come together. I've just been trying to like keep certain things like out of the way when I'm doing certain shots and stuff, but it will all come together and I'm excited to be able to like put that stuff back under the bed. And then I just have like this mess that we're gonna be doing some curtain rods later on. So this is the big wall that we have now to style. Here are what the shelves look like. They're called Mosslanda. So we have 2 large ones and then 1 small one. What do you guys think of this? It's very hard to see. Imagine like a little vase there and some little trinkets, some more little trinkets. So here are some of like the pillows. Look, this one's called Girly, like my dog Girly. So we are just going to put these in pillows and get them ready for the day bed. Good morning. It's day 5, which is actually the last day of this makeover. And I just have like a couple things to finish up, so I'm not gonna vlog. Oh, there's definitely dog hair somewhere here. You know that feeling? I kissed Girly. So yeah, there is just a couple things I'm gonna finish up. And then what am I gonna do today? I think I really wanna go and get some vegan curbside pickup food. Hey, you, are you so cute? Do you love your little dog bed pillows? Sneak peek. So cute. Hi, can I get a Plantiful burger combo?
Yeah, those are promotional items. Hi, sorry for the wait. How can I help you?
Hi, could I get a Beyond Meat burger combo, please? No cheese and no mayo, please.
A nice day.
Thank you, you too. So, had to get a Beyond Meat burger. I really wanted to try the Plentiful one from Wendy's, but discontinued. I didn't get fries. Did I pay for fries? Fries have been acquired. I think this is where I'm gonna leave you guys because I don't really have anything else going on today. I do sort of have some exciting news coming up. I wish I could tell you now, but like I'm kind of that don't jinx it kind of person. Don't forget to use the code TASHA at checkout if you are going to place a ThredUP order. Bye guys.